Hi everyone, welcome to part 2 of our motorcycle tour of France. This covers days 4 to 6, where we travel from Lac Le Mans down to Nice. Okay, so this is our first day heading into the Alps from the lake down to Geneva. So we left the campsite about 20 kilometers ago, something that region. Today we've got 2 segments to do. I think we're well under 150 miles today. Our first destination is Cluse. And we've got another 82 clicks to go. So this is the, now let me try and get this right, this is the Route de Grande Alpes that we're taking. Doing it over 3 days. On the 3rd day we'll be arriving in Nice, and we'll be routing through Monaco to get there. So this should be a relatively short day, I'm hoping, depending on how long it takes to take these roads in. Tomorrow, we've got about 186 miles to do, so that'll be quite a long run. Today I've got the new sound device operating in my pannier next to the exhaust. So hopefully we can get a good mix of sound today, journey. Now the route I've taken, I found it on the internet, and it's predominantly, I think, a cycling route which I've used. So I mapped the route that they had off their website onto Basecamp, and just mirrored the route really to staging points along the way. Certainly we're seeing cyclists on this route, so I think it might be something to do with cycling. I'm going to take it relatively easy through these roads because, as I've been saying, I've got a lot of luggage on board and I really won't want to tip it. My big fear would be tipping it pointing downhill. The chance of being able to lift this thing uphill is pretty minimal, although, you know, that said, there are 2 of them, so perhaps I'll be better. Certainly when I let this go on the driveway, it was quite a bit of effort. Get your back underneath it to try and pick it up. It goes a long way down. It's in fact so far down that the wheels stick out in the air. So I think probably my first time driving in the Alps for must be nearly 30 years, I think, really. Last time I was driving down here, it was in a Westfield kit car version of Lotus 7. Done up with a Vauxhall 2-litre engine with a dry sump, absolute Ravidan. We took that from Bilbao across Monaco, up through the Alps, through Switzerland, up to Norway. So that was really the last big European road trip that I've done. welcome. You're joining us on day 2 of Alpine Adventure. Sat-nav back again. I've been having problems with the sat-nav. Been leading me astray. So just set it to the exiting Val d'Isere route, and hopefully we'll have a better result. So my plan is just to record this one in the hope that we get reasonably good footage. I can only get about an hour of video a day. Certainly is a beautiful part of the world. So I think we're due to cover something like around 180 miles today. We found yesterday, travelling through the Alps is quite time consuming on the roads which I've opted for. Sat-nav reckons end to end is about 4.5 hours for today's trek. And I think they're actually travelling significantly slower than the average speed is predicting for us. That's the other day goes. We arrived late at our campsite last night, and it being a Sunday, all the supermarkets are shut down. So I haven't got space to carry food on the bike, so reliant on getting food whenever we set ourselves up at the campsite. So couldn't cook last night, so we had to go out and dine. Had a couple of beers and 2 main meals, and that came out at €75. So it's not cheap up here. A beer, large beer, €9.50. Big bucks in my book. Can of beer in the supermarket is about €1.50. Big markup.
That concludes our trip through the Alps. Next time we'll be riding through Monaco and then heading up through the Route Napoleon. Thanks for joining us, and we'll leave you with some pickies from day 6.